In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create goals in Clickup, a powerful tool designed to streamline productivity and enhance your workflow. Whether you're managing a team project or organizing your personal tasks, understanding how to set and monitor goals in Clickup can make all the difference. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head to Clickup's website, known as the Everything app for work. If you already have an account, simply click on the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. For those who like the convenience of single sign-on, you can click the sign in with Google option for quicker access. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the goals section. You'll find this option in the left-hand side menu on your desktop interface. After you've clicked on goals, look for the set a goal button. Clicking this will open a new window where you can start creating your new goal. First, give your goal a name that clearly describes its purpose. This could be anything from increase monthly sales to complete project phase 1. Next, assign an owner to the goal by clicking on Choose Owners. Here you can select yourself or another team member from a drop-down list. Selecting the right owner ensures accountability and clarifies responsibility. You may also decide who has access to view and modify this goal. Depending on your needs, you can make the goal accessible to your entire workspace or keep it private. If the goal needs to be completed by a certain date, specify that in the completion date field. This will help both you and your team stay on track. Adding a detailed description is optional but highly recommended. It provides context and additional information that might be helpful for anyone involved in the goal's execution. After defining these essentials, you can click on Create a Target. A target is essentially a sub-goal that supports your main goal, and you'll need to give it a name as well. Just like before, this will help in keeping everyone focused. Just like assigning an owner to the main goal, you'll need to choose who will oversee this target. Again, select the owner or members responsible from the list. It's also important to define the type of target you are setting. Clickup provides several formats like number, true, false, currency, and tasks. Choose the format that best aligns with your goal. This flexibility allows for precise tracking and monitoring of different types of objectives, whether you're measuring progress quantitatively or exploring completion statuses. And there you have it, a structured approach to creating and managing goals within Clickup. We hope this walkthrough helps you harness the full potential of goal